Welcome to the world of video editing. In today's video, we'll explore the essentials for beginners and why mastering this skill is more important than ever. In 2025, there are fantastic free video editing software options available. Let's take a look at some of the best choices. When choosing your software, look for features like a user-friendly interface, variety of effects, and audio editing tools. Now, let's dive into how to install your chosen software step by step. We'll go over some basic editing techniques, such as cutting, trimming, and arranging your clips to create your first project. Adding audio and sound effects can really elevate your project. Let's look at some tools and tips. Transitions and effects can enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Here's how to incorporate them effectively. Once your video is ready, you will need to export it. Let's discuss the formats and recommendations. As a beginner, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. If you're eager to learn more, check out these resources for advanced tips and techniques.